Welcome to our channel, the best premium floor-standing tower speakers for 2025. If you're an audiophile or just looking to elevate your home sound system, you're in the right place. We've reviewed the top models for performance, design, and value to help you find the perfect speaker setup. Don't forget, links to all the featured products are in the description. Let's dive into the sound. Number 5, the Polk Audio Reserve Series R700 is a standout floor-standing speaker that brings audiophile-grade performance into the home without the steep price tag. With a sleek walnut brown finish and premium build, it features a $1 Pinnacle ring radiator tweeter, dual 6.5 turbine cone woofers, and dual 8-pin long throw drivers for incredibly rich, room-filling sound. The speaker's clarity and depth are astounding, offering smooth mids, crisp highs, and deep, distortion-free bass thanks to Polk's patented PowerPort 2.0 and export technology. Certified for high-res audio and compatible with Dolby Atmos and IMAX enhanced content, the R700 delivers a cinematic experience at home. Whether you're enjoying high-resolution formats like FLAC or streaming lossless tracks, the sound is immersive and detailed. This speaker fits seamlessly into any setup front, side, or rear channel, and can be expanded with matching Reserve Series components, including the R900 height module for vertical audio immersion. Polk's attention to detail extends to the cabinet's cross-bracing and anti-diffraction grille, providing not only beautiful aesthetics, but also superior acoustic performance. The adjustable feet work on any surface, making placement simple. User reviews confirm the hype. Many say these speakers rival far more expensive models. If you want premium performance without the 5-figure price tag, the R700 is a must-have. Number 4. The MartinLogan Motion Foundation F1 is a powerful 3-way floor-standing speaker designed to deliver clear, dynamic sound with precision. Featuring a 1-inch folded motion tweeter, a 5.5-inch cone mid-range driver, and triple 5.5-inch bass drivers, the F1 handles a wide frequency range from 41 Hz to 23 kHz with a sensitivity of 92 dB. Its bass reflex enclosure helps enhance low-end performance without overwhelming the sound, making it a perfect match for users who already have a dedicated subwoofer. With 100 watts RMS power handling and peak power of up to 200 watts, this speaker offers rich, detailed audio capable of filling medium to large rooms effortlessly. The 4-ohm impedance and binding post connections ensure compatibility with a variety of amplifiers. Users rave about the F1's impressive clarity and crispness, noting how well it handles different genres from the heavy riffs of Metallica to the smooth beats of Snoop Dogg and the layered sounds of Gorillaz. The speaker's balanced bass response is tight and controlled, complementing existing subwoofers rather than competing with them. Weighing 46.5 pounds and standing over 41 inches tall, the Motion Foundation F1 combines sleek aesthetics with robust build quality, making it an excellent choice for indoor home audio enthusiasts who want immersive sound without sacrificing clarity or detail. Number 3. The Klipsch Reference Premier Premium Dual 8 Floor-standing speaker is a powerhouse designed for serious home theater and audiophile setups. Featuring dual 8-inch cerametallic woofers and a 1-inch titanium tweeter, this 2-way speaker delivers crisp highs, deep bass, and an impressively wide frequency response from 25 Hz to 35 kHz. With an RMS power rating of 150 watts and peak handling up to 600 watts, it offers plenty of headroom for dynamic, distortion-free sound. This speaker's bass reflex enclosure enhances low-end performance, producing rich, punchy bass that fills the room. Its sensitivity of 98 dB ensures efficient sound output, making it easier to drive with a variety of amplifiers. Certified for high-resolution audio, the Reference Premier excels in delivering detailed and immersive sound. Measuring over 43 inches tall and weighing nearly 76 pounds, the ebony-finished cabinet not only looks stunning, but is built for durability and acoustic excellence. The binding post connections provide secure wiring options for a clean setup. Users upgrading from previous Klipsch models praise the notable improvement in clarity and power, recommending grabbing these speakers during sales for the best value. Backed by a 5-year warranty on parts and labor, the Klipsch Reference Premier Dual 8 speaker is a top-tier choice for those wanting premium Dolby Atmos surround sound performance with rich, room-filling audio. Number 2. The SVS Ultra Evolution Pinnacle is a premium 3-way floor-standing speaker that impresses with its powerful sound and elegant design. Featuring a 1-inch dome tweeter, a 5.25-inch cone mid-range, and an 8-inch cone woofer, it delivers a wide frequency response from 24 Hz to 40 kHz, producing crisp highs, detailed mids, and deep, punchy bass. With a sensitivity of 88 dB and a 6 ohm impedance, this speaker handles dynamics beautifully, filling large rooms with rich, immersive sound. Crafted with a sophisticated black oak veneer finish, the Pinnacle combines aesthetics with durability, measuring nearly 50 inches tall and weighing close to 97 pounds. Its robust build and binding post connections ensure secure, high-quality wiring for wired setups. Users have praised the Pinnacle for its impressive volume and bass response, highlighting the speaker's ability to deliver loud, distortion-free sound. Many have noted upgrading from other high-end models, such as the Klipsch RP 8000 to F, and expressed satisfaction with the enhanced clarity and power of the SVS Ultra Evolution Pinnacle. Ideal for audiophiles seeking a top-tier floor-standing speaker, the Pinnacle offers exceptional performance with deep lows, articulate mids, and sparkling highs, making it a worthy investment for a dynamic home audio experience. Number 1. The Bowers & Wilkins 700 Series 3 Floor-Standing Speaker in White is a premium audio solution that blends sleek design with outstanding sound performance. Featuring a 1-inch dome tweeter positioned on top and two 6.5-inch bass drivers, this speaker delivers a wide frequency response from 30 Hz to 33 kHz, producing crisp highs, clear mids, and rich bass. With an RMS power rating of 200 watts and an impedance of 8 ohms, it offers powerful, distortion-free audio suitable for any home audio setup. The ported enclosure enhances bass response while maintaining clarity and detail throughout the sound spectrum. With a sensitivity of 89 dB, the 703S3 easily fills medium to large rooms with immersive sound. The elegant white finish and modern design make it a stylish addition to any living space, measuring nearly 44 inches tall and weighing 63.5 pounds. Users consistently praise the 700 Series 3 for its incredible detail and precise soundstage. Many note the amazement of guests when experiencing the speaker's clarity and depth firsthand. The build quality is exceptional, reflecting Bowers & Wilkins' reputation for excellence. Although it does not include wireless multi-room capabilities, the 703S3 is perfect for audiophiles seeking a top-tier floor-standing speaker that delivers rich, nuanced audio with stunning accuracy and style. Thanks for watching our roundup of the best premium floor-standing tower speakers for 2025. If you enjoyed the video, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Check out the links in the description for the latest deals and more info on each speaker. Drop a comment below to share your favorite model or ask any questions. See you next time.